For design buyers, on the home page, click here to enter Marketplace. Acid Marketplace is a positive conduit between designers and design buyers to promote original design. Once you've read and signed the Acid Design Buyers Charter, be asked a simple question to complete your registration. Once you've received your password via email, just enter your details to log in. All Acid Marketplace designs have been categorised for easy access, so now you can simply browse through the different categories and different images to find exactly what you're looking for. For the protection of Acid members, all viewings are IP tracked. Contacting the individual designer is made so easy by just completing the contact form. If you do need any help from the Acid team, don't hesitate to call us on 0845 644 3617.